Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at this is a follow-up video from my USB Type-C hub. So I purchased this to go with that. The reason why it's a SSD drive from Samsung and it's portable, and this one has a security feature which allows you to use your touch. So this is currently on offer, and I think it'll be running for a couple of weeks, but it's on offer for around £79. So what we're going to do today is just quickly unbox it, show you how it is, and run through some of the specs. So let's get straight into it, guys. Before we open it, just quickly looking at the box. It's an all black box. If you bought the white variant, it'll be an all white box. As you can see, they give you a little image of the actual product itself. It's a portable SSD, and this is the T7 series, and this is the touch variant. So this supports Windows, Mac and Android, and this is the 500GB model. So looking at the box, there's not much on it. It just says 3 years limited warranty. At the back it just comes in different languages saying the same product name, and then on the other side it just gives you some of the dimensions. So it's 8mm thick, 85cm in length and 57cm wide. It weighs around 58 grams. So that's about it. So let's open up the box. So you get the little security sticker at the top, like so. So then you get this little pull tab, you pull it out, and first thing you're introduced to is the SSD drive. It looks really nice, got like a glossy metallic look to it, even though it is aluminium, and it's got this little fingerprint, but let's leave that to one side for now. Then other than that, you get so you would need to open it up through the side, and that's the box. It's got a lot of packaging, guys, a bit over the top. So the first cable box here, you can see it says it says C to C, which is basically Type C to Type C cable, and this allows throughput of 3.2 for transfer speeds. Then you got USB Type C to Type A, so basically female to male, and again finally you have this box here. I'm guessing this is going to be the warranty and the manual, and yes it is. It's not Apple, you don't get any stickers. So that's the manual box. So let's just quickly look at the actual SSD itself. So the model I've got is the T7, and this is the T7 Touch, guys. So let's look at the specs of this, guys. So this uses USB 3.2 Gen 2, and it has backwards compatibility. It has transfer speeds of up to 1050 megabytes a second, and it has the built-in security feature if you enable it using software. So it has touch here. It has the 3 years warranty. The dimensions, as mentioned earlier, are 8mm by 57 in width, and then in length is 85, and it weighs around 58 grams, really light for an SSD. So this is the 500GB model, and as you can see, it uses Type-C, which is great. A lot of the other SSDs from other brands, I found they used a different proprietary connector, which I didn't want. I wanted it to keep it simple and keep every cable the same. So other than that, guys, that's about it for today's video. Again, I'll be using this with my previous video's device, which is this hub, and I'll be emulating games off this hard drive using this hub, so stay tuned for that, guys. If you like this video, please like and sub, and I'll be bringing you a lot more contents. Peace out.